took me a couple months. Just kind of dragged things out between other projects, but the garden is finally done, and really pleased with the way it turned out. Let's take a look. So you saw the before pictures. This is the after, and it's looking pretty good. Stuff is starting to come in. Just got some tomatoes and squash getting ripe. But yeah, it turned out good. The thing I'm most pleased about is that old gray, really weathered wood took this stain really nicely, and you know, almost looks new again with the new wood around it. So yeah, worked out good. Hope this inspires you to do a project like this. So I'm pleased with how it turned out, and I hope it inspires you to do some kind of similar project.